What do you do?
I work at a tech company.
Oh, what do you do there?
I design software.
Do you like your job?
Yeah, I enjoy it.
Where is your office?
I work at the new office downtown.
Nice. How do you get to work?
I take the bus. I don't have a car.
Same here.
How was the wedding party? Did you have fun?
Yes, it was fun. The food was delicious.
What food did they have?
There was a salad bar, a drink bar, and a buffet.
That sounds nice. Was there a band?
No, but there was a DJ.
Cool. How was the music?
Not great. All the songs they played were really old.
That sounds like a boring party.
No, it was fun. The atmosphere was good. Everyone had a good time.
Would you like a sandwich?
I would love a sandwich.
And some chips?
Some chips sounds lovely.
How about a drink? Do you want a soda or some iced tea?
I'm okay. I have a water.
Do you want the water in a glass with ice?
No, the bottle is fine.
Do we have any eggs?
We have some. Maybe 3 eggs?
Okay. And do we have any cheese?
No, we don't have any cheese.
Ah, that's too bad. I want to make an omelet.
Well, I can go to the store and buy some.
No, that's okay. I'll just have toast. Care for some coffee?
I would love some.
Cream or sugar?
No sugar, but I'll take some cream, please.
Oh, you know what? We don't have any cream. Is milk okay?
That's fine.
What did you do yesterday?
Nothing much. I just stayed at home and cleaned the house. And you? What did you do?
I drove to the mountains and went hiking.
That sounds fun.
It was. The weather was perfect, and we saw lots of animals.
Oh, what did you see?
We saw some deer, an eagle, and a bear.
Wow, how exciting! Did you take any pictures?
Yes, I took a lot of photos. I'll post them online soon.
Please do.
Did you do anything this weekend?
I did. I took the train to the city and met my friend.
Oh, yeah? What did you do?
We had lunch and did some shopping.
Did you buy anything?
No, I didn't. I just went window shopping. I need to save money.
Me too. How do you like your new house?
It's nice. It has a kitchen, a big bedroom, and a nice bathroom.
What is the kitchen like?
It is big. And it has a big stove.
What about the bathroom?
It does not have a bathtub, but it has a shower.
Do you have a yard?
Yes, but the yard is small. It does have a nice tree, though.
Nice. Do you have a nice view?
No, the view is terrible. There is a tall building next door.
Do you have a pen? I forgot mine.
I don't have a pen, but I have a pencil.
That works. Do you have an eraser?
The pencil has an eraser.
Perfect. And do you have any paper?
My gosh, you don't have anything.
Do you have any paper?
I have some, but not much.
How much do you have?
I have about 10 sheets of paper.
That is plenty. I just need 5 sheets.
Okay, here you go.
So, what did you get for lunch?
I bought some stuff to make sandwiches.
Oh, great. Did you buy any potato chips?
No, I did not. I did not see any.
That's okay. We have some pretzels.
That will work.
Do you belong to a gym?
Yes, I go to the gym near my house.
What do you do at the gym? How do you exercise?
On Monday and Tuesday, I do yoga. The gym has a pool, so I sometimes swim.
Oh, I do yoga too. I do it at home though. I watch videos online.
Oh, you don't belong to a gym?
No, I don't like gyms. For exercise, I jog in the park or play soccer with friends.
Oh, that works. I love running in the park.
Cool. Let's jog together sometime.
I'd like that.